everyone, hello YouTube, this is Mike and Judith, and today's video guys, we're gonna do another unboxing and try on. Guess what we're gonna try on for today. This is different guys, and this is the first time that I'm gonna have their items, and I don't have any idea yet because I didn't open the box yet. The package here obviously is not open yet, but I don't know what is inside. Of course, you can see in my title of my video of what is in here. So what we're gonna try on for today is different. There is this is not a lingerie, but this is a shoes, a water swimming shoes. So it's different items guys, not a lingerie, not a G-string, not a dress, but this is different. Never had this before. I had this before, but it's a different brand, and this one is the first time in their website. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing, or let's open this one. If you can see, that is a nice packaging there. They have their names, Seekway, right? Seekway. Yeah, so let's open this one. So I asked them, my size is 7, so I hope this is 7. Okay, this is nice. No, you know, this is nice. It's really, you know, wala siyang kabuhay-buhay. Very light. Wow, this is very light. And this one guys, as what they say, they can you can use this in indoor or outdoor. And this is a brand focused on fashionable and sports water shoes. So this is a sport water shoes. The shoes are lightweight. Yeah, I know it. It's when I grab the package, I know it looks like there's nothing inside on the package. It's comfortable and quickly drying. You can wear them indoors and outdoors. Relaxing walking, professional camping. It is also must-have for beach summer vacation. So this is very nice guys. So you can wear indoor and outdoor. So like for example in Philippines, you know, because there's like a lot of, ano ba tawag doon? What do they call that? Yung tuyong. Ouch. You're poking my ass. So, ano bang tawag doon sa tuyom in English? I forgot. I mean, sorry, my English is limited. So sorry. If you have any idea what is the English ng tuyom, so please comment down below. Alam ko yun dati kasi yung pamangkin ko na ano siya eh, na tuyom, natusok ng tuyom. So yun. Ano ba tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. I-research ko nga siya mamaya. So, ayun guys. So, like for example, yeah, in Philippines, you know, there is a lot of tuyom, whatever tuyom. So, ayun, it will protect your feet, diba? Saka, ano siya, very light. Ano, this one is I definitely can use this one in Philippines, especially if we're gonna go in the beach. Because every time that we go in Philippines, we stayed in the beach, yeah, especially in Dumaguete. I miss Valencia, I miss Dumaguete tuloy. Yeah, so yeah, this is really perfect for swimming, you know. So you don't need to worry about the tuyong. So ayan siya guys, very ano siya, very light. I'm gonna put the link on my description on this item guys, and their website. I'm gonna put also here their website, you know, so you can check their website, and there is a lot of items there for men's and women's, for kids, you know, not just like this style, not just like it, but there is a lot of different style, you know. So there's a lot of choices, and please visit my description box and check it out guys. So let's try this one. This one is size 7 I think, so let's try this one if it will fit on me or how it feels when I walk. That is perfect size, you know. Oh my god, very perfect. Look. Wow. Nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. Look. Wow. So very comfortable guys. I love it. So that's our vlog for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit my description box. This is Seekway, and I'm gonna put the link of this item and the link of their website, so you can visit their website and check their items. There are lots of different kinds of shoes there, the swimming water shoes or whatever. So this one, I can tell that this is very nice, it's very light. I'm definitely use this one when I'm gonna go in swimming in Philippines. So don't forget to visit in my description box, and thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Mike and Judith. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and turn the bell button so you will be notified when I'm gonna upload another new video. So hope to see you on my next one, and we will be having another try on for the next video, another lingerie. So thank you so much, stay safe and have a nice day, have a good one. Bye.